Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and it's another unboxing video. After a very long time I'm making this unboxing video because I'm too much excited to do unboxing for Huawei GT2e smartwatch, because I have ordered this watch from Huawei live sale, and which was from 20 to 22 of December. And you know that Dubai shopping festival is going on, so everywhere in Dubai you will get all the items, gadgets, clothes, everything is on sale. So I got my parcel and now I will do unboxing. Can we do now? I got plastic in my hand, I got scissor in my hand. Let's do unboxing right now. खुल जा सिम सिम, खुलता भी नहीं है यार. ये खुला and here is my watch. Wow. Packing is so unique. I like it. This is my favorite color, red, and that's why I ordered this. So let's start doing unboxing. So amazing red color. Wow. That's why I like red color, because this is really very unique and it's my favorite color and it suits my hand. So let's see what else is there inside this box. I got this manual book, warranty card. I know, manual book, nobody is going to read this, so keep this aside. Warranty, I think it's for 1 year. And what else? It seems like here, oh, this is a charger. We have to keep it like this. But before that, there is a USB, which we have to connect it from here and then plug it. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Full box is empty. Yeah, this is some stickers. What else? Yeah, full box now. Now I make it full empty, this box. So let's start this watch and do some settings. Select language. Let's do pairing now. I have my Huawei phone. If you want to pair it with Huawei, then you have to go to health, and if you are using iOS, you have to download this app. Here, as you can see, download Huawei Health on your phone, then add this device, Huawei Watch GT2e D98. So now I will go here and then I will select my watch. You can see here, this is the same watch. Now I will touch here, pair, and then I'll wait for my device name to reflect here on the screen. Sometimes it will take time. So here I got this name on screen. Now I will touch here and then it will automatically pair. See, now I will do touch. Pairing successful. Now download here everything. So it got connected already. See, enable notification. I can do all whatever you want from your phone. Google, Health, share it, whatever. If you have any applications on your phone, just tap here and then you can do allow. Then that's it. Let me give you a short and simple description about this watch. The durable stainless steel frame of Huawei Watch GT2e pairs flawlessly with the colorful fitness straps for a comfortable grip. The 1.39-inch AMOLED HD display and multitude of invigorating watch faces keep you plugged into your world. With fun designs to spare, it never leaves your arm bare. Wear your everyday look on the wrist. With various watch face designs, Huawei Watch GT2e turns your wrist into a seamlessly tapestry of light, color and motion. You can even customize the data and information with heart rate, steps, weather and others. Only what you can matters. You can play for 2 weeks. How? Kirin A1, Huawei's first self-developed wearable chip, which ensures high operation performance and incredibly low power consumption. Dual chip design and power saving algorithms 2.0 ensure Huawei Watch GT2e consumes less energy to achieve astonishing power for all day and night support. This smartwatch automatically optimizes the power consumption for a longer lasting battery. There are 85 custom workout modes. Inspire the senses and indulge your passions from the familiar to the far-flung. With the newly added 85 custom workout modes, you can explore the new adventure of rock climbing, park hour, street dancing or skateboards that moves you. It's all on hand. It is supported by GPS and also it has a 4GB internal memory where you can upload up to 500 songs, and also it is a water resistant where you can go up to 50 meters and also you can use for swimming. So I hope everything is clear from my side too regarding this Huawei GT2e smartwatch, and literally I'm so crazy about smartwatch and I was eagerly waiting to do unboxing for this smartwatch. And one more thing, few days ago I have bought this Huawei watch fit for my sister in pink color, and really this is also an amazing watch. If you want me to do unboxing for this watch, just do comment below, and also don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and please watch out my other unboxing videos, and also I'm making vlogs in this channel, so don't miss it because I'm uploading always every week and with my family, and due to this situation I'm not traveling anywhere, so in the meantime just enjoy my vlogs. If you want me to do any correction or any suggestion is there, so please do let me know, and also you can read description below. There is my email address and my Instagram ID, everything is mentioned over there, so do follow me there in Instagram, and I'll be back again with more videos like this. So for the time being, bye bye, take care and have a great day. I will enjoy my watch. Bye.